Welcome to our next lesson, English on the Street, Lesson 8. Great job on learning Lessons 1 through 7. Now you're ready to continue to improve your English, and you're almost done. In this lesson, with Lesson 8, we are going to talk about road signs. And here's a funny picture I found on No Drones. This is not necessarily a road sign. Maybe it's off of the road. It could be. But you cannot fly a drone over this person's home. They must be a farmer or something, and they don't want you flying over their private property with drones. So very interesting. I found this picture online, and I wanted to share it with you. Okay, so in this lesson, I'll review some of the words. This is an overview video. We will review some of the words that you will learn in this lesson. Like Lesson 7, some of the words related to road signs also relate to travel. So I thought this would be a good transition for you. So here's some words related to road signs, and even getting your driver's license or learning how to drive in the US is very helpful. So here are some words here. I'll start with the very bottom and go to the top. Parallel parking. The G you can't see because my head here with the video is in the way, but in a future slide I'll show you the G there, and we'll cover parallel parking. Here's another word: detour, right of way, turn back, go around. Then we'll learn go through, go ahead, slow down, move over, and pull over. And as a reminder, if any time you think I am going too fast, you can slow down by stopping and pausing this video, rewinding or replaying the video, and you can hear the English again. Also, you can download all of these PowerPoint slides in each of my lessons. So in this overview video, we'll discuss a couple signs here. This one here is a stop sign. These are a couple examples before we get more in detail on the lesson. Stop, a stop sign. This one means no U-turn. And then this other one here is a yield sign. Yield, meaning to stop or almost stop. If anyone is there, you look both ways and you say, okay, it's clear, I can go. That's yield. Where a stop sign is I completely stop, I look both ways. But a yield sign, when you come to a yield sign in the US, you drive a little bit slowly. You don't have to stop, you can, but if no one's coming, you can just keep going. So that's the difference between yield and stop. A stop is a complete stop. Your tires have to stop. A yield is go very, very slow, maybe stop, maybe not. If no one's coming, you just keep going. And then this other one up here in the top is a no U-turn example. So we have more road signs. You can click the link below this video and you can see downloads for different roadside examples. There's a whole PDF document. You can see in English each road sign and the English word to go with each road sign. But like I said, in this lesson, we're going to review all of these words, and in our next video, we'll cover the first two here, pull over and move over, in our next video. So I'm glad you made it to Lesson 8. We're almost done. Stay with me to continue this lesson, and I'll see you in the next video.